Okay, I don't see anything yet.
Maybe you gotta go
Okay.
higher. Oh, there it is. Wait. Wait, I done moved out the way, sorry.
Okay, we're looking at fireworks, y'all.
Rest your elbow on the little ledge.
Oops, I'm about to
Break the window.
So, okay.
She come home and say, "What happened to the window?" We'll just say it got broke. That's how little kids say, it got broke. It got broke.
Somebody else I know will say that.
Yes. I know who that is.
Let me turn it this way.
Pretty.
I don't like holding it that way. Oh, that's gorgeous. I didn't have to drive nowhere.
No,
Oh, look at that.
That's pretty. We need some music. Oh, say, can you
Oh,
see?
not that kind.
Ooh, I like that.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, look at that. I like the pink ones.
Who was that was scared of fireworks? Benji? Oh, Brandon.
Oh, yeah, Brandon. Yeah.
He would duck every time he see a firework, like it's gonna fall on him.
Why is that light flashing on that garage over there?
It always does it.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Ooh. This is the perfect spot.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
You got to worry about when it's over with. You gotta wait for the string of cars
Mm-hmm.
to go.
And the mosquitoes eating you
All
up.
right. Ooh. I could have added this to my video.
That's what I was just thinking, but this will be its own separate video.
Mm-hmm.
I'll speed it up and make it short. Okay, I like those. Make sure you watch some with your regular eye, your naked eye. It's even brighter and prettier.
They doing this somewhere else too. The fireworks. Sometimes it's over there.
Elgin just texted me and said he's at some rib fest and they got fireworks.
Oh.
I wonder if that's it. I don't know where he is.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, I saw something about a rib fest. Forgot what little suburb it was. Getting hungry again.
Oh, well, I got a hot dog and a
No hot
rib
dog.
and some salad
I don't want no hot dog.
and some potato chips and some. I think that's it. Ooh.
I hear it somewhere else.
It's right here. I think that's the people from across the street.
Okay. Ooh. I got a diamond painting with fireworks.
Ooh.
I haven't done it yet.
I love fireworks. Have you seen the drone shows?
Mm-mm.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to find one for you. I think that's gonna be the new thing. I think they're gonna do away with fireworks.
Oh. You could have put your drone out there and captured it out.
Oh, I could have.
Right.
Yeah. Shoot.
Hope this ain't the grand
I
finale.
think it is.
Oh,
Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at it, look at it, look at it.
beautiful. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Diamonds in the sky.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Love it.
Shimmering.
I wonder if Walter's on the porch watching.
I wonder if he can see it.
They be doing something out there a little bit. He can see it from the porch.
Ah, okay.
I think that's it. Oh,
That was nice.
what about them folks? Oops, I'm about to break a window. Okay.
Yeah,